Okay, this is Nifty 50 and the developments on this index is very interesting. So this was 18618 was the height. I mean, and from there the fall has taken place to 15 and then we are up by 16340. That is the last close. Now I have marked this as a leading diagonal pattern and this one is a correction. This is a flat running correction, running flat or a expanded flat correction. So now this last wave, this wave is a triangle wave. Okay, A. Okay, just mark this. This is a triangle wave. A, B, C, D, and E. Now what happens is these triangles, whenever they appear, they there are two things which are very clear. First, triangles are always part of corrections. Okay. Secondly, triangles always show the balance of power. Like one wave up, the second wave is down. One wave up, second wave. So bulls and bear fight, equal fight. Okay. So now what I am expecting in Nifty. So if I again mark the internal waves, it would be like this. Let me mark the internal waves A, B, and C. A, B, and C. First triangle. A, B, and C. A, B, and C. So the first triangle is complete. The second triangle is complete. We are in the last. So let us come to the last wave. So combination of waves is like this. Like it should be A, B, and C. That kind of combination. And this wave A will have five waves, and this wave will also have five waves. You see this? All these waves from 0 to A, these are five waves, not three. Looking like one, two, three, no. These are five waves, like this. One, two, three, four. Because I'm seeing a daily chart. If you go to the hourly chart, you'll see five waves. Like, let's show you on an hourly chart. Now look at this hourly chart. One, two, three, four, and five. So on an hourly chart, you'll find five waves. One, two, three, four, and five. Generally gap up, gap down happens in a third wave. Look at this. There's a gap up on an hourly chart. This is third wave. Finish four, five, and then again you have this five wave. So I'll again come to my daily chart. Right. So where was I? Right. The last. Now what we should have? One, two, three, four, and five. So the first wave is complete. Okay. So now let's expand this part. Let's seeing the last part. One, two, three, four, and five. Should I mark it? Okay. One, two, three, four, and five. So the five wave move is up. So now we'll have wave B. So what kind of wave we should expect? One decline. One kind of ABC kind of a correction. Small A, B, and C, and something like this. Okay, this will be wave B. Like see, wave B, up move, reverse move, like that. A small decline. And then again we'll have 5 wave move up. So once this wave is complete, then the whole triangle wave will be complete. And this is a correction, mind you. So I'll just reset the chart. So and this is a flat correction. In a flat correction, wave C generally develops itself into a triangle wave. And then we will have wave 3. So most probably in the first week of August or by the expiry of July. I mean, just look at it. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm in the first week of August or the last 2 days, 29th, 30th. On 29th or by 30th, because this was on 13th and we have reached here on 19th. 6 days. 6 more days to go. And then this wave will be up and we will start having a decline. So don't miss out on the this decline because this is the third wave decline and this decline will be huge. And my analysis is that Nifty is going to fall like a pack of cards. Many big stocks are going to fall and this fall is going to continue like anything. And this will be a huge fall. Okay, so I'm expecting a fall and a huge fall. Nifty will come down to 14,000. This is what I expect. Once this triangle wave is complete, and then you'll see a fall coming in Nifty, which will go all the way down to 14,000. I mean, it will breach 15,000 and all that. This is what I'm expecting in Nifty. But this should start at the time of expiry of this month or just in the first week of August. So be very careful. Nifty, these are all corrections. Triangles are always corrections. And wave C, generally this A, B, and C. Either it will be a running flat or an expanded flat. This might go a little bit higher up, but we are in the last phase, last of the last wave. Okay, and same pattern is also developing in Nifty Bank. Look at this. Same pattern is developing in Nifty Bank also. And this was a 5 wave move up. One, two, three, four, five. Earlier, I actually had counted this as the one full triangle, but that is a mistake. So this should be like this. This is A, and this is B. This is C, and this is okay. This is not a triangle. Let, let me just take this triangle here. This is A, B, C, D, and E. So 5 wave move is up. One, two, three, four, 5. We will have a decline now. A small decline, a small decline, and then move up. 5 wave move up. So that kind of thing. So want to see a small decline and then again 5 wave move up. So Nifty 50 will start declining first, and then I think Nifty Bank will follow. Okay, so be very careful in Nifty 50 stocks and Nifty Bank. Both these things are going to decline, and both of the indexes are coming on the overbought positions. Okay, and Nifty is on a monthly chart. Nifty is showing overbought positions. Let me just Nifty 50 on a monthly chart and on a weekly chart, monthly chart. You see that? This was the top and now the decline has started. on a monthly chart. This was the decline up, and now we are going to go all the way down. This is not going to go up, all the way down. Look at on a weekly chart. Weekly chart you have some momentum left. This was a decline, and then slight momentum up. Okay. So be careful in Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty. Let me come to one of these stocks. HUL. This HAIE or something like that. HIAE. HIAE. Hindustan Aeronautics. Now, yesterday and today, both these moves up. There is no positive momentum on this. I mean, it's looking like that. But I'm waiting for the third wave. I have not entered the trade. Wait in HUL. I will only enter the trade once 1693 or 1700 is breached. But this move up is a correction. And the waves are very complicated. Like one, two, third wave, this was fourth. Somewhere there was fifth. And then we have the second wave. Second major wave corrections. So if you see it on a daily chart, it's very complicated. Now this was a five wave move up. One, two, three, four, and five. And that is the last, I suppose. But one should only enter the trade here in HUL once it crosses this 1700 mark. The third wave will be very swift. I mean, there might be some down and up move, a zigzag or a flat correction or something is happening here. It's become very complicated. Counting waves have become very complicated now. See, first, second, third, fourth was a triangle, but where is the fifth wave? Either this one is the fifth wave or this whole is the fifth wave. I mean, I'm not going into all that. So I want this 1700 to be breached. Once I see a decline coming, then we can think of a trade below 1700. This is not going to go up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now suppose what happens is, and this if A, B, C correction happen, and then again you have five wave move like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, something like this. It won't go all the way up, but if the move is something like this, then we can be assured that this is a second wave correction and it is in form of a zigzag. But let us see how things develop. So now the I think HUL this five wave move is up. Now the corrections will start. A, B, and C. So tomorrow we will see a decline in HUL like this. A, B, and C. And then we will see what happens. Okay. Again, if there is a move up, then this is a zigzag correction happening at the second wave. And if there is no move up, then this would be a flat correction. A, B, C, and A, B, C, and five wave move up, and then straight away it will start falling. Okay, in HAL, this is the position. And which other stock can I discuss? Airtel. Airtel. Bharti Airtel. So, like on a weekly chart, see this was a flat correction ABC, ABC, and this is a five wave move up. So, one, two, and three. I think this is the third wave. Let me see the daily chart. One, two, one, two. 3, 4, and 5. So the waves are like this: one, two, and this is three. This whole is three. We'll have some corrections in form of fourth wave, and here's the fifth wave. So what should be my target? Okay, what should be my target? Of course, we'll have fourth wave corrections, and then fifth wave. So in Bharti Airtel, general retracement level is 38%, but fourth wave correction can go on to the extent of 61% also. So say suppose 38% is here. I mean, this is just a hypothetical correction kind of a thing. So what should be my fifth wave? What should be the target of my fifth wave? My target should be this much. Okay. Why I am saying this? Because whenever you have third wave extended, wave 1 shall be equal to wave 5. And eventually this correction will be a running flat correction. It will only be expanded flat correction once it breaches this top part and goes beyond that. So a reasonable target of 683 would be enough. So one, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this is Bharti Airtel. Actually, these type of patterns, whenever they appear, they are a very good trading opportunities. Flats are very good trading opportunity. The last wave, because the five wave move up. One, two. Suppose look at the weekly chart. If it is like this, one, two, three, four, and five on a weekly basis, then this can go huge, huge up. But I have dissected it. I've kept it on a daily level. So if you see there's a move coming up, then one can go big on it. But my target would be around 683 or something like that. If it is a running flat. Okay. So and after that a decline should start in Bharti Airtel again. Any more stock which I can cover? Bharti Airtel. I mean, see if you see this stock also, Bandhan Bank, BHAN, Bandhan Bank on a monthly basis. Let me see it on a monthly basis. Look at this Bandhan Bank. So ABC, ABC, and then you'll have this five wave move up. Same, like just like Bharti Airtel. Okay, there's a flat correction. A, B, and C, like this. A, B, and C. The same thing happening here in a reverse thing. A, B, and C, and we will have five wave move up. One, two, three,